To fix the MetaTrader 5 account login authorization failed issue, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the correct login credentials, including your account number, password, and server name. Double-check that the server name is correct, as it is often the cause of login issues. Next, verify that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in to your MetaTrader 5 account. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network to resolve any connection issues. If you are still having trouble logging in, try resetting your password. You can do this by going to the MetaTrader 5 website and clicking on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password and try logging in again. Another potential cause of the login authorization failed issue is an incorrect or outdated MetaTrader 5 platform version. Make sure you are running the latest version of the platform, as updates often include bug fixes and security patches that can resolve login issues. Additionally, check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure that they are not blocking the MetaTrader 5 platform. You may need to add the platform to your firewall or antivirus exceptions list to allow it to connect to the server. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try reinstalling the MetaTrader 5 platform. This will remove any corrupted files or settings that may be causing the login issue. Be sure to back up any important files or settings before reinstalling the platform. Finally, if you are still having trouble logging in, contact your broker or the MetaTrader 5 support team for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance on how to resolve the login authorization failed issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the MetaTrader 5 account login authorization failed issue and access your account successfully.